Module 3, Principles of BI Report Testing, Interactivity. In this module, we will discuss an introduction to testing report filters and parameters, followed by the discussion on the different types of BI report filters and how to test them. Finally, we will cover testing hierarchical filters and drill downs. Interactivity lies at the core of user engagement within BI reports, enabling users to actively engage with data and zero in on the metrics of their greatest interest. Filters and prompts are interactive elements that grant users the power to customize their data views, making them an indispensable part of the BI reporting experience. Filters and prompts are the tools that empower users to customize their reports according to their specific requirements. While these customization features enhance user experience, they can also introduce complexity and the possibility of errors. It's essential to grasp the different filter options available and how they influence the visual representation of data in reports. Understanding these concepts is critical for crafting effective tests to validate report results. In the upcoming slides, we'll delve into various types of report filters, exploring how they affect the presentation of data in reports. Filters and prompts are powerful customization features in BI reports, but proper understanding is vital for effective testing and ensuring data is presented accurately. Depending on the BI platform used for report creation, the way users interact with the reports can vary. For instance, Microstrategy BI reports often prompt users to specify criteria before generating a report, with filtering options available afterward. In contrast, Microsoft's Power BI doesn't generally use prompts before generating reports. Instead, reports are hosted in workspaces or embedded in websites, allowing users to directly access and manipulate data using slicers within the reports. When testing these reports, it's crucial to grasp the capabilities of the BI platform, how they align with end user requirements, and understand how the development team has implemented these features. We will now look at different filtering types and how they can impact BI reports, starting with date filters, which allow users to specify a date range or time period for data analysis, such as a specific month, quarter, year, or custom date range. Relative date filters provide predefined date filter options like today, last 7 days, or next month, making it easier for users to select dynamic date ranges. Boolean filters provide options like true or false, allowing users to filter data based on binary choices, such as whether a customer has made a purchase or not under the isActive field. Category filters enable users to filter data based on specific categories, such as product categories, geographical regions, departments, or customer segments. Multi-select filters allow users to select multiple items from a list simultaneously, which is useful for scenarios where users want to compare or analyze several items at once. Numeric filters allow users to filter data based on numerical criteria, such as sales above a certain threshold, inventory levels below a specific quantity, or budget variance within a defined range. Text filters enable users to filter data based on text criteria, such as filtering customer names that contain specific keywords or filtering product descriptions that match certain terms. Geospatial filters enable users to filter data based on geographic criteria, such as selecting data points within a specific region on a map. Top-N filters enable users to filter data to show the top or bottom N items based on a specific measure, like displaying the top 10 products by sales. User-based permission filters filter data based on user-specific criteria, ensuring that each user sees only the data that is relevant to their role or permissions. Filters and parameters within BI reports often offer users a range of choices and options. Testing is essential to ensure that all possible combinations and permutations of these options are thoroughly examined. To provide a robust testing process, it's imperative to test not only individual filter or parameter options, but also the interactions between them. Users may combine multiple filters or parameters in unique ways to refine their data views. Comprehensive testing seeks to cover all possible scenarios and user interactions. Testing is crucial because it helps identify potential issues such as incorrect data filtering, which is ensuring that the selected filters and parameters correctly filter and display the relevant data while excluding irrelevant data. Unexpected behavior, which is discovering any unexpected interactions or behaviors that may occur when users choose specific combinations of filters and parameters. Data consistency, which is verifying that the data presented in the report remains consistent and accurate across various combinations. Preparing to test BI report filters and parameters, it is important to understand the specific objectives of the filters. Identifying the different types of filters in the report, such as date filters, category filters, or user-defined filters, is the first step. When crafting the test cases, each filter type warrants a set of dedicated test cases. For each test case, be sure to define the filter parameters, including values, ranges, or categories. Clearly state what data is expected to be displayed or hidden based on the filter selection. Include test cases for edge scenarios, such as minimum and maximum values, null inputs, and exceptional conditions. Assess the filter performance with varying data set sizes and complexities. It's important to verify that the filters are user-friendly, easy to select, and responsive to user input. Most importantly, ensure that the filters do not compromise data integrity. The data displayed should accurately reflect the filter selections. A cross-filter report typically refers to a report or analysis where data from one aspect or dimension is filtered based on the selection made in another dimension. For example, in a sales report, you might have two dimensions, time and product categories. If you select a specific month, a cross-filtered report would adjust to display only the data related to that particular month, such as sales figures for different product categories during that time period. Similarly, if you select a specific product category, the report will adapt to show data for that category across various months. Drill downs are a powerful feature in BI reports that enable users to delve deeper into data hierarchy. They allow users to navigate from summarized or high-level information to more detailed or granular data. Typically, a BI report will present data in a hierarchical structure. When users click on a summarized data point, like a total or category, drill downs reveal a breakdown of that data, often with further details and subcategories. Drill downs are initiated by user interactions, such as clicking on data points, icons, or specific elements within a report. These interactions trigger the report to adapt and display more refined information. These types of filters enable users to navigate through hierarchical data structures, such as organizational charts or product hierarchies, to filter data at various levels of granularity. In the example below, our initial chart displays IT plans by area. When clicking on a specific IT area, the drill down reveals all of the sub-areas that make up this metric. Accurate and responsive drill downs are vital for users to explore data effectively. Testing ensures that this functionality works as expected, enhancing the value of BI reports. When testing drill downs in BI reports, consider the following steps. Start with the basic tests to ensure that drill downs function as intended. Click on summary data points and confirm that detailed data is displayed. It's also important to verify that the drill downs maintain data accuracy, with no discrepancies or anomalies as you navigate through the different levels. Assess how the report performs during drill downs, especially with large data sets or complex calculations. Ensure it remains responsive. And finally, evaluate the user experience by testing the intuitiveness of drill down interactions. Ensure that they are user-friendly and responsive. In summary, interactivity lies at the core of user engagement within BI reports. enabling users to actively engage with data and zero in on metrics of their greatest interest. Filters and prompts are powerful customization features in BI reports, but their proper understanding is vital for effective testing and ensuring data is being presented accurately. The type of filter will impact the data displayed in the BI report. It's important to understand how each of these different types of filters will function. A cross-filter report typically refers to a report or analysis where data from one aspect or dimension is filtered based on the selection made in another. Drill downs are powerful features in BI reports that enable users to delve deeper into the data hierarchy. They allow users to navigate from summarized or high-level information to more detailed or granular data.